Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hidden Brick, where today we're going to build this Lego Speed Champions poly bag. It's a Lamborghini Huracán Super Trofeo EVO. I don't know. It's a supercar of some sort. It is a micro version, so it's not a minifigure scale. But look at this, it's got this cool little seal of authenticity on the back, meaning that it's a officially licensed Lamborghini product. So I haven't seen a Lego set that has ever had anything like that on there. Specifically a poly bag at that much. I mean, there are Speed Champion sets that are Lamborghinis, but I've never seen the little shiny hologram sticker. Anyways, let's just jump right into this. So here's another cool little interesting thing about this set. Not the instruction book. Instructions are instructions. It's actually an instruction sheet. Just one sheet. But here's the interesting part about this set. There's a little box in here. Remember, this is a poly bag. Typically poly bags don't have little boxes. And there's a little micro sticker sheet in here. So once again, poly bags with hologram stickers and a little box of stickers. Kind of interesting. So let's jump right into this build. Start with one of the little plates that has the little micro pins on there that we can connect to the wheels too. Two of these little mini wedge plates. Go there. That's the beginning of our little frame. We actually have some shiny gold pieces in here. It's not the pearlescent gold type stuff, it's actual shiny gold. Plate. We have one of these Lego Friends style panels. Two more of the mini wedge plates. Where's the other one at? All this black is blending in on my black table. Alright. Let's see, we're gonna do another plate there, this guy right here. Now we have two of these brackets. Put a plate with a clip. Two G-slopes, two more plates, plate here. I'm going to get our first sticker, sticker number 1, and this is the tail lights / brake lights. Go right there. And then we have these little hand bracket type pieces, which you typically see in a superhero set. We'll tile on there, and that makes our rear spoiler. That goes right there. Turn our instruction book over. Let's see, whoops. It's a little fragile. Got a plate, jumper. Skip to another plate and another plate here. Alright, so next up, the bracket. Put another bracket on there. So 2 brackets connected. Do 2 tiles. And then on the underside we have 2 of these shiny gold tiles. That goes there. So those gold tiles are lining up perfectly on top of these little exposed tiles right here. So there's actually no connection. The only connection point is right up here at the top. So we're going to repeat that step for the other side. Alright, that looks good. That tile will help hold that together. Put a single clip there. Single bar that goes there. Jumper tile. Dark gray is representing the glass, the windshield and the side windows. A few more slopes. Now it's time for our wheels and tires. We do have, looks like 5 extra pieces there. So we'll put our wheels and tires on. 1, 2, 3, 4. The size of this car reminds me of like a little Hot Wheels car, a little bit bigger than a Hot Wheels car, but kind of the same idea. Now we're not done yet because we still have 3 stickers, and the very last step that we have in the instruction book is to apply those last 3 stickers. And they're basically on these last sloped pieces that we put on. So we have the Lamborghini badge right there, and then these last 2 are the front headlights. So the sticker is really big, but really the only thing that's decorated is that tiny little front headlight. The rest of the sticker blends in with the sloped piece. But it needs to be that big to allow it to put on easier. And there we go. A little micro speed champion Lamborghini. Fun stuff. Alright. Quick little video. I thought it's cool. I love the Speed Champions. Even if it is a tiny little car, I still think it's fun building a model that's based on a real car. So you tell me your thoughts, put a comment down below. Don't forget to check out the links I have down there for other cool videos just like this one, and we'll see you in the next video.